The growing demand for project management careers in 2025. Project management is an essential function in today's business world. With industries evolving rapidly, the demand for skilled project managers continues to rise. In this video, we explore why project management careers are in high demand and what the future holds for professionals in this field. Why project management is in demand. In 2025, the need for skilled project managers will only increase due to several factors. Expanding industries. As industries grow, companies require project managers to handle complex tasks and manage diverse teams. 2. Complexity of projects. Projects are becoming more complex and multidisciplinary, requiring specialized skills and effective management. 3. Remote work. The rise of remote work means companies need project managers who can coordinate teams across different time zones and locations. 4. Technological advancements. The rise of AI and automation has created new opportunities for project managers to oversee tech-based projects. Key skills for project managers in 2025. To meet the growing demand, project managers will need to develop certain skills. An agile methodology. Agile continues to be a key methodology, especially in software development and IT projects. 2. Leadership and communication. Strong leadership and communication skills are essential for managing diverse teams and ensuring stakeholder alignment. 3. Data-driven decision-making. Project managers will need to analyze data and make informed decisions using new tools and technologies. 4. Risk management. The ability to assess and mitigate risks will be increasingly important as projects grow in complexity. The future of project management careers. The future for project managers looks bright. The global project management market is set to grow at a rapid pace, creating a wealth of opportunities. Project management certifications, such as PMP and Prince2, will become even more valuable in securing positions. The rise of hybrid project management approaches will allow professionals to blend traditional and modern methodologies for optimal results. What's next for project management professionals? As the demand for skilled project managers grows, professionals should focus on continuous learning and staying current with industry trends. Investing in certifications, learning new methodologies, and honing leadership skills will help you stand out in this competitive field.